All right, we're here live again. This is Brian Dunat, Director of Technical Sales North America here at Neat. So what we have is kind of our final device set up here, where we actually have our devices running in Zoom, companion Zoom room. So what we have is we have our Neat Bar Pro set up here. We also have that paired now to our Neat board. And the advantages to this now is with the newer version, we actually have video from both of the devices as well as the whiteboard. So to showcase that, if I join a meeting here, on my Neat Bar Pro, as soon as that starts, you'll notice that it's also going to join the board into the same video call. Now you can see on the board we have a couple of video streams here as well as here. So if I was to go ahead and turn on our patented feature, which is symmetry, go right here. We're going to see that come up right here. So this will pop up. You'll notice right here at the top, we're shown here in symmetry. If I wanted to do the same thing on board, I can do that as well. So I'm going to go into my camera controls. I'm going to turn this on. And now what we'll notice is that on the board, we're going to see symmetry activate here as well. So where we're seeing this as a great use case is think in the education space, right? If I'm walking up and I want to start my whiteboard, I can click here. Start this whiteboard. You'll notice that now it's going to launch the whiteboard here, and then it's also going to share it into the meeting without me having to do anything else. Now once that whiteboard comes up, give it 1 second. Now if I'm standing here and I'm actually writing on the board itself, the camera's picking me up while the Bar Pro camera is still picking up those folks that are here in the meeting space itself. So this is a big enhancement here where not only are we able to easily share the whiteboard, but we also have the camera live from multiple devices here in the meeting space. So again, Neat board in companion Zoom room mode with a Neat Bar Pro. For more information, please check out neat.no, and thanks for joining.